Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file and they're trying to intersect it or weld it, or it just doesn't do anything you want it to do. He wants the inside pattern. We'll try to intersect, and it does intersect, but then it closes off the gaps. And I think he's wanting a continuous, well, you'll just see in just a second. So this isn't going to help too many people because it's kind of, now, one way you could do it would be to use the virtual segment delete key, but you've got a lot of little bitty cuts you'd have to do this. So I was just playing around with it and kind of thought about this. Take the Smart Fill tool and let's just fill in all these parts. And you can see as you're going, you'll see which ones you get or not. And you have just a few little bitty ones. And then you can left click, right click, and see we have an opening. And then take the outer one, and now we have what he wanted, I believe. So let's take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. So that didn't take any time, and then you actually can move the Smart Fill away and left click and right click, and you've got that same pattern ready to go. I'm thinking this is what he wanted. So this would take a little less time than worrying about virtual segment delete key, where you'd have to not delete some of the lines. And if you'll see what I mean here, this is pretty little lines to go through here to delete one at a time. And then you'd still have to delete these lines and so on and so on. So that would work too, but the Smart Fill tool is maybe a little bit faster because you're not going to have to worry about deleting something that you'd like right there. You'd have to magnify. Anyway, I don't know if that really helped him, but that is one way to do it. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.